Has the coronavirus got you thinking about life insurance? Well, we've been taking a lot of questions over the past few weeks surrounding life insurance and the impact that COVID-19 or the coronavirus has on it. To name a few, one, can I get life insurance if I've got the coronavirus? Two, what happens if I have some symptoms of the coronavirus? Can I still get life insurance? Three, if I pass away from the coronavirus and have a life insurance policy in place, will it pay out? And finally, are carriers even writing life insurance right now? Well, those are the questions we're going to answer on today's video. Hey folks, Jack Wingate. And the coronavirus has had a major impact on the insurance industry, whether it's business insurance, whether it's personal auto, home insurance. People have questions. And one of the biggest life insurance policies or policy types that people have questions about is life insurance. Yes, most people don't like to talk about life insurance in general, but now, seeing the pandemic take hold, it's got people re-examining their life insurance programs. One, whether they have enough insurance, whether they have life insurance at all, and they have questions. And the first question that we get is, if I have the coronavirus, can I get life insurance? And the answer to that is no, at least not for the time being. Most carriers, and it changes from carrier to carrier and on a case-by-case basis, but if you had tested positive for the coronavirus and then get better and no longer have the coronavirus, life insurance companies in general are going to make you wait a period of time, from what we're hearing in the industry, anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on carrier and situation, before you can apply for and get approved for the coronavirus. Why is that? Well, obviously they don't know how the coronavirus is going to affect you long term. Is it going to come back? What have you? It's a risk that they're not willing to take. They want some time to make sure that you're better. The second question that we get is, well, what happens if I have some of the symptoms of the coronavirus? Can I get life insurance? Again, case-by-case basis, but most carriers are saying that you're going to need to wait a period of time. And granted, this one is shorter, so if you're exhibiting symptoms, you're probably going to need to wait 3 to 6 months, depending on the carrier and the situation, before applying for life insurance and getting approved for life insurance. And again, carriers are being ultra conservative right now because of the unknown. So if you think you have it, just understand that doesn't mean you're not ever going to be able to get life insurance, but you need to make sure that you're upfront with your agent about that. The third question, and this was an odd one for me, but I got this email this week from a client who has had life insurance with us for years. And the question was, Jack, if I pass away because of the coronavirus, will my policy pay out? And I responded to him, hopefully gave him a little peace of mind in the fact that yes, your policy is going to pay out if you were to pass away from the coronavirus or any other virus. With life insurance, a true life insurance contract, at least in the state of North Carolina, there are only a few times where a policy wouldn't pay out, and that is one, if you commit suicide within the first 2 years of the contract being taken out, or two, if you materially misrepresent yourself, i.e. you lied on the application within the first 2 years that you took that application out. So other than that, you pass away, the policy pays as long as the premiums have been paid and the policy is in force. So to that guy, you are covered. Now, during this time, we have seen carriers react to different phases of the insurance business differently. We've seen Insurance carriers provide auto refunds or in process of giving auto refunds. We've seen carriers have to go in and either deny or accept business insurance claims. Things are up in the air with regards to most insurance. And the same holds true with life insurance. But there are a few carriers that have stepped up to the plate, one in particular being Erie Family Life. And what they've done was pretty much unheard of for them. The fact that they decided to waive their paramedical exams, or the part where the person comes out, takes your blood, asks you health questions. They've waived that, if you so choose to have it waived, for any cases $500,000 in coverage or less, and if you meet the age requirements as well. And that's huge because they want people that are healthy to be able to get life insurance and not let having someone, the fear of someone coming to take their blood and do the exam, for the fear they might have the coronavirus, and so they don't want them in their house. So Erie said, hey, we will waive the paramed exam for these cases. Now, you're not going to get the very best rate that you can. Obviously, they've got to be very conservative since they're not doing the paramed exam, not taking blood, not making you pee in a cup. So while it's a great thing, if you don't have a fear of having the examiner come out, still having the full exam is the best way to do it. But kudos to Erie Family Life for stepping up to the plate and making sure people can have some peace during this time of uneasiness and unrest. Guys, taking a look at your life insurance is important. Making sure your plan is in place and does what you want it to is vital. And as always, do something positive. Use these times to enjoy your family, to enjoy what's important in life. And until next time, we'll see you later.